How's it going everybody, Mr. Android here. In today's video, let's check out a brand new Good Lock module called Wonderland. Well, previously it was only available for the Samsung One UI 2.5 devices like the Galaxy S20 and the Note 20 series of smartphones. But now finally Samsung has launched this brand new module for all the Samsung Galaxy devices. So if you have a Note 10, Galaxy A50, Galaxy A51 or any other Samsung smartphone, you will be able to install this module right now. So make sure you guys watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for 2000 likes on this video. So drop a like and let's get started. Alright guys, first thing first, just go to your Galaxy store and search for this module called Wonderland. You can also install it within your Good Lock application itself, but in case if you don't use Good Lock, then you can easily find it on the Galaxy store. What it does is, it allows you to create your own custom live wallpapers. Basically, you will be able to create some amazing live wallpapers using this module. Once you have installed, and you will see this beautiful interface. Guys, you already get 7 inbuilt live wallpapers within this app. If you want, you can use any of them and all of these live wallpapers look extremely beautiful. All you have to do is just select the wallpaper that you want to apply and then you can easily set it on your home screen or on your lock screen as well. Other than this, if you want to customize your own wallpaper, just tap on this plus icon and then select the wallpaper that you want to customize from your gallery. Now it allows you to add different layers on your wallpaper. You can add these kind of small elements which will move or react to your touches. Guys, it really looks beautiful. And then you can also add motion effects, change the color, add different objects and do lot more with the wallpaper. Basically, you can customize and change your boring wallpaper into a beautiful live wallpaper. Once you are done with the customization, you can simply save the wallpaper by typing a name on it and then set it on your home screen. Overall, it looks gorgeous. You can add motion effects, add some really cool animations and make your home screen stand out. So it was a quick video on this brand new Good Lock module called Wonderland. If you love customization, then I will highly recommend you to try out this module. So that's pretty much it guys. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.